Hello everyone, just a quick video. I've got a pair of rainbow cabochon earrings to make for an order for Sue. So thank you, Sue, for your order. She's also ordered one of these lovely pendants that's new in stock, the Tree of Life, and a 22-inch silver chain. These are the cabochons, and cabochons can be made of resin, glass, wood, plastic, all sorts. And these are made of glass, and they have a high quality image on the back. So they're 12mm, and they will fit a 12mm setting. I know it can sometimes be quite confusing. People think they have to order like a 14mm to fit a 12mm, but they'll pop in easily. So what else have we got? We've got the earring settings. We need 2 of those. Just checking them. 2 earring backs. These are bullet earring backs. We've got some super glue, earring card. These are just some logo stickers, organza bag, and this is a self-seal bag that I put my jewellery in. So we put a tiny bit of glue on the bottom, pop one of these in, little push, and let that dry. They dry very quickly. There's another one. Nice and colourful. Let's pop the lid back on that one. Right, let's let that dry and I'll come back. Right, these are dried now, so we take a logo sticker. Mine is Jessica May. Handmade with love. That's my daughter's name. So we pop those on, put the back on. I'm just going to pop a pair of silicone earring backs in as well, just in case they lose the backs. Pop them in here. So yeah, always keep your plated jewellery to stop the air will cause oxidisation. So I really recommend keeping it in a self-sealed bag. I'll just go and pack that order now. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.